Hello, carpet cleaners. For those of you that don't know me, my name's John Williams. I am the CEO of a company called HEB, or Add to Grow Business, and we specialize in digital marketing for the carpet cleaning industry. We have worked with hundreds and hundreds of carpet cleaners across the USA and worldwide, and we continue to do so. Over the last 12 months alone, we've spent over $2 million on paid advertising for carpet cleaners. So we really know exactly what works, what doesn't. We've tested literally everything. And I personally believe there isn't another company on this planet that has spent as much as we have, that has done as much testing as we have, that has run as many carpet cleaning paid advertising campaigns as we have. I simply want to give back to the carpet cleaning community as much free value as I humanly can. So let's dive in. People these days want things as easy as possible and as fast as possible. That's why all of these startups like Uber, Spotify, Uber Eats have been super successful, because they make it easy to go from A to B. You don't have to go to the record store anymore and buy a CD. You can click on an app and you can listen to music instantly. If you need to book a taxi, you don't need to call someone or go to some taxi office or hail somebody down and have cash in your pocket. You can press a button on your phone and schedule a taxi, and you can hook up your PayPal account or whatever, so you don't even need money in your pocket. It's fast, it's convenient, and that's what people want. And I saw an opportunity here for the carpet cleaning industry. Imagine for a customer, they can simply click a button, press a few buttons, give their information, and book a carpet cleaning for their home or get a price without having to speak to anybody on the phone, from the convenience of Messenger. How huge that would be. So I saw that opportunity and decided to go all in the carpet cleaning industry. I knew certainly in America there was tens of thousands of carpet cleaners out there that all need jobs every day, that this system could be amazing for. And then when it comes to marketing agencies and stuff, there's some real cliche niches that all the marketing agencies go after, like chiropractors, dentists, real estate, so on and so forth. And there really wasn't much competition when it came to carpet cleaners. There really wasn't anybody else doing this, and certainly not this system at that time that I'd come up with an ad that goes to like a messenger chatbot thing. And so I thought, wow, this is a real opportunity. So I kind of went all in with it, and I had to hustle, I had to work hard to get my first client. And when I did, I was working night and day to drive results and to refine this system. But I did, got some results from it and stuff like that, and testimonials. And then things just really evolved from there. You know, word started to spread organically. More and more people started to sign up. My team, my company started to grow. We started to bring on more and more team members, fulfillment, customer services. And we started to develop the program as well. And since those heady days years ago when I was developing this thing, we've now added, text message marketing, email marketing. We're able to turn a new customer into a repeat business customer. We've added research. So we're going to go in, do customer research, competitor research into your area. We're going to use that information for the ads. And of course, we're going to send that to you. It's going to be super useful for you as a business owner. So we're providing that extra value. So we've evolved everything so much since those very, very early days. But yeah, that's pretty much how it came about. It kind of organically happened through going on the journey of wanting to get out of my situation with my old job, wanted to do something new, figuring that out, just realizing that I need to focus on one industry, and then kind of having that light bulb moment in the terms of carpet cleaners and how this messaging system could be really revolutionary. So that's my story. Since then, we've worked with hundreds and hundreds of carpet cleaners, generating, some of those guys $15,000 to $20,000 in new business every month. And we continue to do so to this day. So yeah, like anybody that's out there that's watching this, that's a carpet cleaner, thinking of starting a business, a carpet cleaning business, that's maybe, or people that are doing it part-time, like honestly, like make the jump, man. Like do the work, do the grind, do the hustle, get yourself into that spot where you can do this full-time, because the freedom that it will give you is amazing. And for me, like the freedom that this has brought in my life is more valuable than money or anything like that. Do you know what I mean? It's incredible. Do you know what I'm saying? It really, really is. It's fantastic to be a business owner and to be in control of your life and your destiny and stuff like that. So anybody that's watching this, do make that jump. It will completely change your life. Absolutely. And then if you're new to this channel, you're new to this content, you're new to us, and you'd like to find out how we can help your carpet cleaning business too, the scheduler link's in the comments, and so is the website and stuff like that. Check us out, schedule a call. We'd love to hop on with you, share the screen, pop the hood on our system. We'll literally show you everything during a 60-minute 30-minute consultation, and you can make a decision if you want to try and figure this out for yourself, or B, if you would like to work with us directly, and we'll do it for you and help you to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level. And I just want to end on this one simple thing. What I realized as I've gone on this journey as well is that in the beginning, it was really about me trying to change my life and trying to find that freedom and stuff. But as we've had more and more success, it's really blown me away how this program has been able to be so impactful on people's lives and have such an impact on their businesses that it's actually given me like a real purpose in life to know that we're helping so many carpet cleaning business owners and we're having such an impact with our program. It means the world to me. It really, really does. And so this has really gone beyond just that personal freedom now. This is really what gets me out of bed now in the morning every day, helping as many carpet cleaners as possible. And I'm on a mission to try and help as many carpet cleaners as possible as well. So yeah, if you'd like to find out about working with us, hit us up, schedule a time. We'd love to meet you. We'd love to show you what we can do. No obligations, of course. So yeah, that's my story, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.